You bought a succulent. It's sitting on your desk, looking cute, low maintenance, and innocent. But what if I told you that this adorable little plant is silently judging you? That it's holding secrets about survival, drought, and neglect that are, frankly, superhuman. They're not just plants, they're tiny, perfectly designed escape artists. Today we're diving into the mysterious world of the 10 best tabletop succulents, uncovering why they thrive in the very conditions that would kill every other plant you own, and revealing the real reason they make the perfect accomplice for your busy life. Echeveria, often known as hens and chicks, is a plant that's basically showing off. Its leaves form a perfect, fleshy, almost artificial-looking rosette, available in a palette of stunning colors from powdery blue to vibrant green to pink-tipped edges. Its elegant, compact shape makes it a phenomenal natural centerpiece, stealing the show without ever needing constant attention. This little beauty actually prefers to be neglected, silently judging the overwatered demise of its leafy neighbors. Gasteria is the quiet, tough cousin of the aloe. An aloe-like succulent ideal for tablescapes, with deep green, glossy leaves often speckled with charming white spots. It adds a textured and sophisticated look to any small container. This plant thrives where bright light is scarce, perfectly capable of handling a little shade, while surviving on minimal water. Its small size lets it nestle into unusual vessels, like miniature teacups, giving it that extra touch of quirky charm. Kalanchoe is bold, sculpted, and dramatic. This thick-leaved plant brings both structure and color to your desk. The beautiful variety Kalanchoe blossfeldiana is a prolific bloomer, bursting with clusters of flowers that make it one of the most cheerful tabletop additions you could ask for. Even when it's not flowering, its foliage stays sturdy and architectural. It's a total no-fuss plant, thriving even in areas low on light. Aloe's compact varieties can create a vivid, intriguing centerpiece with minimal effort, while aloe vera is the classic. Smaller types like Aloe descoinsii are the tiniest of the species, perfectly sized for a miniature table setting. Resilient and resourceful, they're masters of drought tolerance. They store so much water they can survive long dry spells without breaking a sweat. And yes, they can even handle less than ideal light conditions. Haworthia is so similar to aloe it's often confused with it, but you can always spot it by its pearly white warts or textured leaf bands. Tiny, low-growing, unbothered, built for warm, cozy environments. It's a superb fit for indoor living. Its subtle patterns and small stature make it the perfect desk companion. Just remember, the one thing it truly despises is too much water. The crassula is an entire universe of shapes and sizes, but the jade plant is the undisputed tabletop champion. From upright miniature trees to dense trailing mats, crassulas are remarkably easy to grow and propagate. Tough, resilient, rewarding. They reveal their lush, full potential under plenty of bright light. Sempervivum, also known as house leeks, are defined by their perfectly symmetrical, stress-loving rosettes. These plants literally thrive on neglect. In fact, a little stress intensifies their color. Hardy, colorful, effortless. They're the perfect addition to your desk. Just remember to give them a bit of bright light now and then to keep those hues vibrant. Senecio is commonly seen in hanging baskets, but on a desk? Stunning. Let them cascade gracefully down the edge of your table for an instant designer look. They flourish best in bright light, where their bead-like or paddle-shaped leaves can truly shine. The secret to their success? A lean, well-draining soil, mimicking their natural, less nutrient-rich home. The Lithops are masters of disguise, nicknamed pebble plants because, well, they look exactly like colorful living stones. Tiny, compact, truly bizarre. A fascinating addition to any small tabletop container. And their secret? They need almost no water at all. True silent survivors. Euphorbia is tough, exotic, and effortlessly cool. Perfect for anyone who truly doesn't want to worry about their houseplants. With an architectural, sculptural look, they pair beautifully as a contrast to softer succulents. Their secret to longevity lies not in the watering can, but in the saucer. Always empty excess water from underneath, so the roots never sit in moisture. The moon cactus is our bonus secret. A captivating two-part wonder, a bright red, yellow, or orange top, grafted onto a smooth green base. Small, colorful, and full of contrast, it's an instant pop of intrigue and energy for your workspace. So there you have it, the secret lives of the top 10 tabletop succulents. They're not just plants, they're stoic, drought-proof mini sculptures that practically run on neglect. Now that you know their secrets, you're ready to bring one home and start your own investigation. If you enjoyed uncovering the mystery of these amazing plants, don't keep it a secret. Like the video, subscribe for more deep dives into the plant world, and tell us in the comments which succulent are you adding to your collection.